Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you the set of two stainless steel extra large cat litter box. We have 4 cats at home, and two of them are two male cats. They're quite big. They're 20 and 21 pounds cats, so they're big. That's why we needed something big like this. The measurements of this, and I'm going to show them to you in a close-up in a few seconds, and we're going to put some litter boxes, well, some cat litter, actually, not litter box. We're going to put some cat litter inside, but these are 24 by 16 by 12. So it is 12 inches tall. That's actually quite big. And in case that you don't want to use this lid over here, I do recommend you to use the lid. These are 6 inches tall and total of 12, and then 16 inches wide. Kind of like, I want to say that these are pretty wide, pretty deep, and pretty tall. But of course, they're stainless steel, meaning that when they're doing number one, you know, if you have male cats, that they sometimes or usually they go against the walls. The stainless steel is super easy to clean. This actually can stay this way for 30 or 45 days, so you don't have to deeply clean them for like 30 or 45 days. But we have 4 cats, so sometimes we do it like every 20 days. This is the second time that we bought this one. That's why these are so new, but we have 2 others. That's why we repeated on this ones. Let's take a closer look that I want to show you a few things. So again, the first thing that I want to show you is how deep these are, how big these are. You can see the total room that you have here, the total space you have here. It also comes with this right here. Each one of them comes with this ones, and you can actually attach this clip to the side and stick it to the side, so you can actually hang them, which I think it's super convenient. I also like that it comes with this right here for them to clean their paws, so most of the litter is going to actually stay inside. And also we're going to put this, we put this on the other ones we had, and you actually put this in the bottom part, so this won't move easily, so that's something really good. And then for just like assemble, there's, I mean, no assemble process. It's just like super easy. But what you do is, I'm going to put this right here inside, and then what you're going to have to do, you're going to see that comes with 2 locks right here on the side. So you're going to just push them a little bit, just like this. Once that you're here, so you push one and you push the other one, and that's it. You are done. That's everything you're gonna have to do. So let's put some cat litter right here so you can see how big these are. So first I'm gonna try this one, this kind of like ultra clumping crystals right here, which is more like sand. So I wanna try this one. This is 8 pounds, and this bag actually comes with the Ziploc right here, so the easy open and the Ziploc. So we're gonna drop 8 pounds right here, so you can see how big this cat litter box actually is. This is a big cat litter box. This is a stainless steel big one, and this is how it goes. The first bag, 8 pounds, goes without any issues. You can see that this one, yeah, fits perfectly right here. I want to say that fits really good. Use gloves if you want. If not, it's not an issue. This is super clean and new. And then we're gonna drop this one right here, which are 7 pounds, and the same caliber about 7 pounds. And this one is a little bit more refined. I want to say a little bit smaller, like smaller clumping crystals. And this is 7 pounds. So we're gonna drop this one right here. You can see that also fits perfectly. Another one with an easy open and a Ziploc close over there, so that's good. So we close this one up. So one more time, you can see how big these are, how tall these are. These are 8 pounds, and you can actually put 2 bags in this one still, and it will be fully, not even close to fully covered. It will kind of like be just like here. And the same thing with that one, which is 7 pounds. So I think the kind of like, I want to say the sweet spot for this cat litter box is going to be in between 10 to 12 pounds bags, or 10 to 12 pounds. Let's just put it inside. But that's my recommendation, because we have 4 cats at home. If you have just like 1 or 2, I think with the 8 or 7 pounds will be just enough. And then again, these are super easy to clean. It comes with the kind of like rubber pads at the bottom, so it won't damage your floor and won't move easily. It comes with these pads right here for them to clean themselves. And again, stainless steel, these are super easy to clean, no issues. Super tall, really big, and of course, easy to clean one more time. I like them. I'm gonna give it a huge thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and see you soon.